Alright guys, batteries are dying on the GoPro, but look at this beaut we just landed right here.
Wild.
Huge brown, big old wild brown. I'm gonna pick him up and let him go. Show him off too, okay? Just drop the net and hold him up. Hold him up and out to me so we can see him good. Hold him up. Look at that fish right there, guys. Okay, let her go.
Woo!
Yeah, boy. Awesome job. You getting all wet?
Yeah. No what?
All wet. It's all right. We got a cabin 6 minutes from here. Yeah, boy. Wild browns in the middle of a snowstorm. Gotta love it.